Hello from Taj Motor Medics and a Happy New Year. Today I'll be showing you an Audi A1 on a 62 plate, which is a 2013 plate. Now, as you can already see, the driver's side rear tail light isn't working, the middle bulb. That's also the brake light bulb as well. You look on this side, they're both working. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to press the brakes. But for me to do that, I need to switch the ignition on. Get in the car first. Right, ignition on, pressing the brakes now. As you would see on the passenger side, both of them are working, but on the driver's side rear, there's only one working, not both. So what I'm going to do, we're going to kill two birds with one stone. And how are we going to do that? It's quite easy. So what I need to do is I need to remove the whole cluster. So for me to remove that is I need to take this cover off, take this off as well, and then get this out. Now this one's a bit tight, so if I take this out at the same time, so it kind of slots in there and then pushes in. Okay, all you then need is a 10mm socket, which is a 10mm socket. If you can get a long socket, that'll be better with a screwdriver or a ratchet. You may need a plier as well, and the bulb you need is a 382 bulb, which you can find that in the description as well, the link for it, where to get it from. Now let's remove this first. So you've got a screw here on the inside, it's a 10mm. So if I undo this first, they can be tight, so you just use a little bit of a force. So once I've got it out all the way, that's it, put that somewhere safe. Make sure whatever you do, do not drop it. Get the second one out as well, put that somewhere safe. The last one now, get that out. That's it. What I now do is, I'll bring the boot down. And if you look on the inside here, the two screw bolt holes are right here as well. So if I just slot this out, nice and easy. As you can see, there's one hole, two hole for these studs right here. Now I'm going to need to unplug this. So if I can, like I said to you, I might need a plier. So what I need to do is, if you see this bit here, I need to push this in. So if I hold the plier in place, push it in, and then gently pull the whole thing out. Once I've got it out, I can now shut the boot, put it here, and then I use a flat screwdriver. You've got a clip here, a clip there, and a clip here as well. So what I do, pull this clip back, then do the same thing on the other side as well. And then the last one is this one here. Is always a tricky one. You just use it without a screwdriver. 1 second. So I'll do this one, pull this, and then now the whole thing's out. Now as you can see there, so you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bulbs. So some of the bulbs are used, 3 of these bulbs are used for, this one's for tail light, this one's for tail light, this one's for brake light, and both of them are for brake light as well. It is a 3, like I said to you, a single filament bulb, a 382, which is right here. It's a straight fit, so I don't have to worry about anything. Now at the same time, if you did want to know what these bulbs are, there should be in the description as well for a link for that as well. So that's all you do. You slot it, put it back together, nice and easy. You hear it click, that's brilliant. I now then plug this in. So where is the plug? It's just right there. Just plug it in. So that was the clip I was talking about. In, and then I now need to slot it through the holes, so make sure I get it right, and it's sitting flush. As you can see now, it's nice and flush. Keep hold of it. I'm just going to put it back together now and then shut the boot. I'm going to put this screw in first. That's nice, and you just got to nip it up, don't go too mad on it. Okay, and then I do the second one here. And then I've got the last one here. Just got to nip this in as well. Make sure it's nice and tight. So this one here, it wasn't tight, now it is. And now the bulbs are going to be good, so I'm going to put everything back together. Put the cover on. And then this one, they're just little grummies. But make sure you do put them back on, because otherwise the water would go inside and then you'll have problems. And then you clip this in from the outside and then push it in. Okay, 1 second. So clip in. There we go. All done. What we're going to now do is check, see if all of this works. So I'm going to first try the position lamp. Now you see the position lamps are working, and I'm going to press the brakes now. So as you can see now, all three are two are working on that side, two are working on the other side as well. That's all you have to do on this particular model. Yeah, that's all you have to do on this particular model. If there is anything else you need to know, there is a playlist for Audis as well. Do check it out. There's a playlist for bulbs. There's a playlist for tyre pressures as well. There's a playlist for service resets on Audis. So do check it out. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like the video. Thank you and goodbye.